Hello, this is the TradeSite US Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Thursday the 9th and Friday the 10th of July 2020. As usual, we don't typically do market previews for the Friday of the week, so this might serve as the preview for the rest of the week, unless something super exciting happens on Thursday, because while we had some good winners, especially FSLR today, we wouldn't count the rest of the day or the week as being very exciting. It's been very flat. We'll look at that in the intraday action in a few minutes. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market futures forum. As that you can see, we're almost at a 13 sell signal on the ES. Crude oil down 6 cents to 40.84. Gold down up $2, breaking the risk line here. So now this has destroyed the 13 sell signal, no longer in place. That's really amazing for gold. That's probably not good for the economy, but we'll see what happens. The S&P cash up 24.82, puts the 10-day moving average there, 1331.26, but we're near a 13 sell signal on both the ES and the S&P. NASDAQ 100 on the flip side got a 13 sell signal today. So let's be clear about that. There's a 13 sell signal out there now on the daily chart. The NASDAQ, the SOX up 26 and change. Does not quite have a 13 sell signal. So one more day up will give us sell signals across the board on the S&P and the SOX. We already have it on the NASDAQ. The biotech's at 21.19, no big deal. The Russell 2000 up 11. The VIX down $1.35 after being back up the last couple of days. The trend at 0.91 puts the 10-day, boy, where is that? Puts the 10-day moving average at 0.93. Now, if we count backwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do we still have a big data drop off? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I think we do. I think we have a huge day. That day up near 2.3 is still 10 days back. So if that drops off, it could drop the moving average to 0.85. That would be a major sell signal on the market. Remember, when the trend 10-day moving average closes at 0.85, that's a sell signal. NASDAQ volume 4 billion shares, lightest volume day in months. That's not great, because we were green. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ, which was flat all day, but managed to close plus 497 late in the day. On the New York, plus 525. Google gains $13.68. Apple up $8.68. Netflix up $9.62. New closing high there. Amazon up $80.99. That's 12 candles towards a 13 sell signal there. Haven't had one of those since February, by the way, in Amazon. Tesla down 23.98. What a wild ride. But again, probably overblown here. Should be coming down lower. Facebook up $2.72. Still under the 13 sell signal. Goldman Sachs up $2.89. Not really anything there. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down 66. The Dow was up just 177. Put call ratio closes at 0.58. 10-day moving average at 0.681. All right, in terms of intraday action, 5-minute candles. So again, if you look at the last few days, here's the deal. We gapped up Monday, flat. Gapped down Tuesday, but pulled right back into that range, flat until the last few minutes, and then sold off in the last 30 minutes. Gapped up Wednesday, got back up in that range, sold off, made new lows for the week. Dead flat, really a waste of a day, and then came back up. So now we're back up in that range from Monday, Tuesday for the close. So it's been a really horrible week in terms of action. NASDAQ side, pretty much a little more positive, but not much different. And that's what it is. It is what it is. Not the best trading looking week we've ever seen. Thank goodness for FSLR and the futures calls we've had. And it is what it is. All right, in terms of economic data for the rest of the week, we've got the initial and continuing jobless claims Thursday morning at 8:30. Final wholesale inventories at 10, natty gas at 10:30, 30-year bond auction at 1, and Friday, the only number Friday is the core the PPI number at 8:30, which is not a big deal. So not much left for the week, and God knows, no excitement. Let's hope for something better. But watch those 13 sell signals on the ES, the S&P, the SOX. If we get them on Thursday, Friday could be interesting to the downside. It doesn't have to take hold immediately. It could be next week, but we're going to have a lot of sell signals on the market, and that'll be interesting. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. Have a great trading Thursday and Friday.